can reliably detect glossy black or multicolored parts at a distance. In this RS product spotlight, Omron's E3AS-HF brings time-of-flight accuracy, wide-angle detection, and IO-Link intelligence to fix that fast. The E3AS-HF is a ToF photoelectric sensor with a built-in amplifier that measures distance, not just reflectivity. So it reliably detects black, glossy, curved, or multicolored targets from up to 6 meters away, even when the sensor is mounted off-axis. The E3AS-HF has many features, but here are some key ones. High sensitivity and stability by using its ToF method and ADP receiver with a real-time temperature correction and ultra-fast sampling. Wide-angle characteristics with its plus or minus 85-degree angle, supporting flexible mounting away from traffic or tooling paths. Automatic mutual interference prevention, where it auto-coordinates emission patterns when several are used close together. Fast commissioning with one-button teach. IO-Link technology to allow parameter download, status, and incident levels. OLED display for an on-sensor menu and diagnostic. And it is rugged and hygienic, coming with IP67 and IP69K, EcoLab detergent resistance, and anti-fouling lens coating. The E3AS-HF has a 50 to 6,000 millimeter range and has a response time selectable from 2, 10, 50, and 200 milliseconds. It comes in a spot beam or diffuse beam version and has PNP or NPN digital outputs with light or dark on, plus a 4 to 20 milliamp analog signal. It can also adjust its spot size with its dial that selects 2mm, 9mm, or 40mm for pinpoint holes, general parts, or pallet faces. The E3AS-HF series is ideal for the automotive industry to ID vehicle models from body panels, detect gloss black bodies, and verify axle gearbox presence and positioning. AGV and mobile robots for obstacle and pallet detection. Automated warehouses for pallet sensing, slot detection, and tote positioning. Packaging and bottling to detect shrink-wrap packs and transparent films. Material handling and conveyors for long-distance presence detection of difficult targets. And food production with its EcoLab certification, IP69K, and anti-fouling lens for washed-down environments. With the E3AS-HF series, you get faster commissioning with its one-button teach, OLED menus, and IO-Link capabilities, higher uptime with an interference prevention, coding against contamination, and condition data that enables predictive maintenance, and a durable and hygienic product. When you need long-range, angle-tolerant detection in harsh environments, choose the Omron E3AS-HF series. Want to learn more? Reach out to Omron or our RS Engineering Support Group to assist you. Visit our site in the links below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for more RS product spotlight videos like this. Thanks for watching.